Well, whatever time of day or night it is with you, welcome along to a game which is threatened, I have to tell you, by a rather forbidding weather forecast. The expectation is for quite heavy rain as the game grows older this evening. It hasn't arrived just yet, but it will do shortly. Glad to report, though, that that hasn't affected the crowd, who are here in good number and indeed in good voice. And the game will be underway very soon. This one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. We have already started here. Samu Castillejo, shooting chance! Tompkins can hoist it clear. Chance to shoot! Oh, well defended, that had to be done. That looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Keeper sends it forward. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. And the shot! And it's a goal!
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front, and they really commit forward in numbers too. That was all very well drilled.
Darlington grab an early lead. Good start. Darlington have made this tremendous start, Jim. What's the reason for it?
Probably the structure to this team. Formations don't win you games, but getting the correct one to suit your players and your team's approach is a big part of it, and the players, for me, are making this work extremely well.
MacArthur tries to get it forward quickly. He's made sure that that won't get through. Well, he acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, I mean, I think he did well to spot the run. He just didn't get enough behind it. It happens.
Gets wrestled off the ball.
Well, there's a lot of movement out wide now.
Yeah, you can certainly see that.
Well, I think it's a move to open the game up more, whether out wide or just getting a runner through the middle now.
Receives it from behind. Plays it into the box. It'll be a throw-in. Well, that's where he wants it. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. And he has been fouled there.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
And the counter is on. MacArthur. Crystal Palace have it back and they can go again. Has he picked him out? And the shot! Oh, the ball's come loose. He's pulled off a fine save.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
And he's there to clear it. Forward tracking back like that, always appreciated by the crowd.
Well, they say that your front lads should be that first line of stopping the opposition, and I think he's taken it to another level with his desire to get back and help everyone out.
And the whistle goes for half-time. Well, there we are, off they go for half-time. The breakthrough did indeed come in the first half, but there has only been that one goal. It is very, very tight.
Well, they showed glimpses of some wonderful football to go in with the lead at half-time, and that's definitely pleased the fans. I think they'll be looking to keep this intensity up now in the second half.
Darlington leading 1-0 at the break. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes. Darlington carrying a one-goal lead. Oh, well played. He needed to get that right. Darlington are in superb form defensively. 5 consecutive clean sheets. Townsend. Some excellent tackling here, and that one a perfect example. Looking, tries a shot! Oh, wonderful effort, all by himself.
Well, at least the crowd are appreciative of his efforts.
Now, can he capitalise? Room for a shot. Hits one! Goal! A 2-goal cushion, and it's looking safe.
Darlington are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven.
Darlington grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
We're looking at a very different game now. The command has been established.
And they've been caught out here. Can he deliver? Samu Castillejo. Not offside that time. Crystal Palace are able now to make their substitution. It's been on the cards for a few moments now. Connor loses his balance and loses the ball. He ran himself into trouble there. Free kick given away. And it's played forward. Out to the right. Townsend. Hoists it forward. Dashing forward at pace. Wickham. Decent looking ball. Now it's Wickham. Going through. Big chance! Wickham! Oh, what a wonderful stop!
Well, as Tesco, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Darlington making consecutive changes here. So it's going to be a debut for the new loan signing. And he's been... Massive leap! Oh, real danger here. That's a throw. And here's McCarthy. Forward it goes. Gets on the end of it. And it's Townsend. Gets a good foot in there. Chance to break. Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? Done very well to intervene. And time is up. Darlington always looked the more driven side, probably the better side, and nobody is arguing about the results.